Hey, have you noticed? Love is in the air. February is the month of the heart. So it is time to take care of your heart and your loved ones. So I've created the best blueberry muffins with fiber, protein, and whole grains. They don't contain any added sugars. They are naturally sweetened with prune puree and blueberries. They make the perfect gift because remember, food is also love. I have partnered with US Blueberry High Bush Council to share with you key tips about blueberries and heart health. One habit that can benefit your heart is by incorporating blueberries and other nutritious foods into your meals and snacks. Fresh blueberries are a good source of fiber, containing 4 grams of fiber per cup, which helps support heart health. To make them, you'll start by warming the milk and making your chia seed mixture. Then whisk together the dry ingredients and grab a boost of blue by adding 2 cups of heart-healthy blueberries. Mix together your wet ingredients, including the prune puree. Then add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir to combine. Scoop the batter mixture into the muffin cups. So now it's your turn to make these lovely blueberry muffins. For the full recipe, visit my blog, manuelvillacorta.com.